How to add credit card to Eventbrite. First, log in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Options. Click on the option to add credit or debit card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that the billing address matches the address associated with the card. After entering your information, make sure to save your changes. Sometimes you wouldn't find any credit card add option. Then the only way to add a saved credit or debit card to your Eventbrite account is to select the option to Save Payment Details when registering for an event. That's it. Thanks for watching.